starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour. This first order, I've got a bad feeling about. Can't really prove it yet, but it's gonna be a bad order. This is Taco Bell going just under 6 miles.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Are you gonna be using the app to earn rewards points today?
We're closed for the night.
That's more than fine with me. Okay, it said I was getting half pay for that one because it was closed, but it hasn't updated yet, so I'll let you guys know whenever I find out. And I got the next order right away after that. This is a Starbucks going 6.5 miles. Total for that order was $9. Next order up is a Wendy's going just under 4 miles.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. We're gonna get started for you today.
There you go. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Total for that order was about $7. Finally got the next orders. We've got a stack, 2 different restaurants, 2 different people. We've got IHOP and Starbucks, $20 going, I think it said 10 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Have a good day. That stack took about 25 minutes. Pretty good pace. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $7 going 4 miles, 3 items.
Welcome. If you have your 212, please.
Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Seize the Bagel, $6 going about 2 miles. This place makes 0 sense. I'm just gonna list off the building numbers around me in a circle right now. So we got C, D, N, P, V. Please make it make sense. Finally got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $9 going just under 6 miles. Thank you. You too. There's that for you. Have a good day. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $9 going 5 miles, 4 items.
If you have your club, scan it now. 5. Please remember to take your receipt.
Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a McDonald's, $9 going about 6 miles. Thank you. You too. Haven't had a DoorDash order in a couple hours, but finally got one. This is Starbucks going about 2.5 miles. Total for that order was $5. Next up, got a different Starbucks. This one is going 3.5 miles. Interesting. It's almost like there's a parking spot right in front of you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
So much.
No tip on that one. Total for that was $5 and change. Next up is a Muchas Gracias. This one is going 3.5 miles.
Help you?
Hello. For Michael?
Michael, yes.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Another no tip, $5 and change. I was kind of hoping to squeeze out one more order before I called it, but I don't think I'll have enough gas to complete it and make it to a gas station. So I guess this is it. Current time is 9:43. Current total is 91. And I think I'm just waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to like 96, 97-ish. Oh well, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.